Managing your family sharing group on iOS.
Hello and welcome. In today's guide, we're going to talk about family sharing on iOS and, specifically, how you can remove a particular member from your family sharing group. This can be useful when someone is no longer part of your household or you want to make changes to your sharing settings.
What is family sharing?
Family sharing on iOS is a feature that allows up to 6 family members to share App Store purchases, Apple subscriptions, an iCloud storage plan, and more, all without sharing accounts. It's a great way to manage and share content with your family. However, there may be times when you need to remove a member from your group.
Who can remove a member?
It's important to know that only the family organizer, the person who set up the family sharing group, has the ability to remove a member. So, if you're not the family organizer, you will not be able to perform this action.
How to remove a family member?
To remove a family member from your family sharing group, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your Apple device. 2. Tap on your name at the top to go to the Apple ID screen. 3. Tap on Family Sharing. This will bring you to the Family Sharing Settings page. 4. Here, you'll see a list of all the people in your family sharing group. Tap on the name of the person you want to remove. 5. Tap on Remove Person's Name from Family. You might be asked to confirm your decision, as this action can't be undone and the person you remove will lose access to any shared content or services. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove a specific member from your family sharing group on iOS, allowing you to better manage your shared Apple services. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, you can always re-add someone to your group if you need to share with them again in the future. Happy sharing!